all as in everybody in the natural hair community, at least on YouTube, has been doing our hair wrong. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm gonna be talking about something potentially interesting. Also, am I wearing a bikini top in winter? Yes, I literally just got off a set and we had to go on the beach. Was it cold? Yes, but here I am and I haven't taken it off, and I'm not gonna take it off until I'm done with everything today. So here it is. It's cute though. It's cute. Look at all the colors. It's pretty. So I think we have all as in everybody in the natural hair community, at least on YouTube, has been doing our hair wrong. So a couple weeks ago, I saw a video. I don't know if it was like a TikTok and it was put on Twitter, or if it was like just a particular video that was put on Twitter. I don't really remember. And also, I don't know who tweeted it. And also, I don't know the creator of the video or who she is. But I know for sure she's like a hairstylist. And she put a video of her washing one of her clients' hair, and she was talking about how you do not need a lot of conditioner. Like, you don't need so much conditioner where your hair is all white and coated with so much product, just enough where it like disappears in your hair, and like that's it. And I'm like, huh, okay. It had me thinking, like, okay, to be honest, for conditioners, I'm still gonna do it. But then I tried it with my other steps, my leave-in and moisturizer and stuff like that. And I think she's right. If I can, I really don't know if I'll do it in time before I post this video, because I'm so tired. But if I can't find her, I'll leave her stuff down below. But like I said, I tried it with my other steps, like my leave-in, my moisturizer, and my oil, not my gel, okay? Because like, look, just having a little dime size amount of gel in this hair is not gonna do anything, okay? I already know this. So I actually tried this method before, like I think it was last week, and this is kind of what prompted me to make the video, because it's like, my hair felt fine. My hair felt fine after using it. Not fine as in like, it was fine. It was like, oh no, it's like, oh, we could stop using so much products, as in amount wise. We can stop. I washed my hair for you guys 2 days ago, but for me, yesterday, and I went ahead and took my leave-in. I layered my product. So I did my leave-in, so I took about like maybe a quarter size amount for each section, and then I emulsified it in my hands, because that's what she says to do, and I think we kind of forget to do that. I know for sure I forget to do that, girl. I don't know about you. And then I went ahead and I smoothed the product into my hair, and I did it with the moisturizer. I used literally a small amount of it, and I low-key can't believe this worked, because I've just been slathering product on my hair and thinking like, oh, that's gonna do something. Really, I don't think it was doing anything. But I'll go ahead and just let past Sara show you, because past Sara, as in yesterday Sara, she did it. So I mean, like, she's gonna show you, okay? Okay. All right, so here I am with Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner. I go ahead and I just do the littlest amount I have ever done in my whole life. Look at that. That's like a quarter. Worry on my face. Don't think this is gonna work. But as I go ahead and emulsify, still don't think it's gonna work. But you know what? Here we are. Here we go. Here it is. Even though I literally tried this already before, for some reason I still didn't think this was going to work. I just added a little bit more because I felt like my hair needed it. I feel like if you need to do that, do that. So this one product right here is by Naturalicious. It's their Moisture Infusion Styling Cream. So I added just a little bit of that as well. And surprisingly, this product is like really moisturizing. It literally says Moisture Infusion,
but like I was still kind of surprised. It's a great product. I'll do a whole video on it another day, but not today. So I go ahead and smooth that on my hair, and then I use the oil from the same brand. The thing wasn't working for me, but it's their frizz-free oil, so I did that. They take on my hair with a wide tooth comb. Yes, I'm going back to that because that's working out. And then I go ahead and I do my wet brush, and I'm using the Softy hair gel. Listen, it works. Okay, it works. I got the hold, but it's not even super crunchy. And look at this. Watch. Boom. Okay, now I just go ahead and I just repeat all the same steps. Go ahead, detangle with my wide tooth comb. Go ahead and define with my wet brush. Go ahead and put in the gel. And then boom, go on another section where I add in all the products, layer in the products. And I'm making sure it gets actually through my hair, since, like, you know, that's going to all be stucky stuff. But yeah, but look at this. Boom. Yes. And then look at this. Look at my hair. Just wow. This is what happens for when you detangle your hair, kids. But I think we should chill out with the 50 pounds of hair product in one wash day. Gotta go, bye.
Now, after doing this method, I realized I could be saving so much money because I won't be going through product as crazy. Now that means it's gonna take me even longer to get through all the hair products that I bought. Great, just great. Well, we all make mistakes. We live and we learn, okay? And I learned. But also, here is the thing. Everybody's hair is different. Like, natural hair is different. Like, if you have, like, more drier hair and you know it needs more product, use more product. Or if you have more tighter curls and you know it needs more product, use more product. But so far, I tried it with my hair. My hair, I think it's like 3C to 4A. I think like the fronts is like a little bit more 3C to 4A, maybe some 4B in there. Honestly, I don't really be checking. I just be like, just detangle and go. So I just want to say that it worked for me. My hair looks so short right now. Wow, shrinkage really do be playing. I'm really just thinking about the amount of hair products that I have and how it's going to take me so long to get through it. But I guess good news, I don't have to spend money on hair product for a good while. So that's great. Well, wow, Sarah, you have so much hair product and now you just learned you don't need so much. Also, I'm trying something new right now. I'm using my vlog camera because I used my vlog camera yesterday to film the other part, and I'm so tired. I did not want to go get my other camera and set this up because all this was up when I left. And also, I don't know. I don't know. Tell me how y'all feel about just this plain background right here. I'm just, you know, trying some stuff out. You just, you know, let me know. I might do it like this because then I'm able to actually do like hair washing videos because I could actually, you know, get up and get out of my room. The other way around is like I was trapped forever for life. I would suggest everyone at least try doing the method at least once and see if it works for you. If it still don't work, go ahead and keep doing what you're doing. But yeah, this was an eye-opener. This was for me. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below. Have you always known this? Are you about to like change your ways also like me? Have you tried the method yet? Has it worked for you? Has it not? Just let a girl know, okay? Also, if you are gonna like, you know, say all that stuff and that you did try it, can you please put in like your hair type and also your porosity? I don't know my porosity yet because I haven't tried it, but I think like it will just help other people as well. So yeah, just add that so it can help people with that knowledge. I realized I was low-key looking at myself this entire time. And if you are subscribed, please click that notification bell so you get notified every time I post. And if you are not subscribed, please do so we can hit 2,000 subscribers. Okay, I'm gonna go eat, right? I'm gonna edit. Eat, no, sorry, you gotta eat, because then you're not gonna have energy to edit. No, Bye.
Eu vou te fazer gozar. Vou roçar com o bico do fuzil no seu brilhinho.